Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with an exciting video for you. I finally got to try the RevAir, so here it is. First, I just want to show you what it looks like, how to put it together, and as you can see, it comes with this cool little wraparound thingy for your cord. And this is the filter that you put inside. It catches any loose hair, lint, whatever, and you just attach the hose with the little turn key thing. Is very simple, and this is the dryer. As far as temperature settings, it has a low/medium and then a high heat setting and then a cool setting. And that right there is the stand just to put it in. It came with a water mister spray bottle that everyone has been telling me to get. 4 clips. I had 2 in my hair at the time. And that right there is the power button. This is a very simple tool to use. This dial right here just controls the speed of the air that's coming through the hose. It goes from levels 1 through 7. Of course, the higher the level, the stronger the airflow. And I really appreciated the fact that there were so many options. Normally you get a low, medium, high. I like that there were 7 levels. And this little area here is where you hang the hose when it is not in use, or if you want to carry it from one place to the next. It just makes it a little more compact and easier to carry. Now that everything's all put together, let's get ready to blow dry. Now before I dried each section, I made sure to spray my hair down with the Mielle Organics Thermal Protectant hairspray. Because you know, safety first people, we don't want any heat damage to our curls. Now because I had no idea how my hair would react to this blow dryer, I wanted to set a timer on my phone to see how long it would take my hair to dry. I used the highest heat setting and level 2 suction. I quickly changed that heat setting to the middle heat setting because the high heat setting wasn't like super hot, but it was hot and it started to irritate my scalp. So throughout my entire head, I alternated between the low heat setting and the cool setting just to see if I could, utilize less heat to get my hair dry. Now, if you aren't familiar with RevAir, it is a blow dryer that blows air the opposite way. It sucks it in like a vacuum hose and it just pulls the water away from your scalp, away from your hair, and to me it's a very smart way to dry your hair. You don't have to worry about a paddle brush and a blow dryer or a comb attachment on the end of a blow dryer. You don't have to exhaust your arms and your energy and your hands. I can tell you that blow drying my hair is literally a workout between holding the blow dryer tight and taut so that there's enough tension to make sure the heat connects with my hair to dry it, my arms reaching in awkward directions, my shoulders, my back, everything is a pain. With this, I'm seated. I can just hold the hose in place. I don't have to work my arms back and forth with the comb, and I can use way less heat. I can hold this hose onto my hair with the cool heat setting for as long as I want. I don't have to worry about heat damage in a way that I did by using a traditional blow dryer. Now, as you can see, there still were a little bit of waves left in each section. My hair was dry, it just was a little wavy at the ends. I could turn the heat up and turn the suction level up if I wanted it to be straighter, but that wasn't my concern. That'll probably never be my concern because if I want straight hair, I'll just, blow dry it and then flat iron it. I'm not ever really looking for super straight hair from my blow dryer. I just want my hair dried quickly and not tangled. A couple of things to remember while using the RevAir is to try not to pump the hose up and down while you're drying the sections of your hair. I don't know why, but that was so tempting to do. Just hold it in place, make sure your roots get dry, because if you pump it up and down, you can risk tangling your hair and making your roots really frizzy. What I like to do once my roots were dry is just move the dryer a little bit further down, hold it there for a few seconds, move it down a little further, hold it there for a few seconds, so on and so forth. That way, every section of my hair can get a really good chance to dry without me having to start the process again for the same section. It takes some experimenting, so do what works for you. Play with the levels, play with the temperatures. The only thing that really concerned me about this blow dryer is the weight. It is pretty heavy. The hose is also heavy at times. If you're holding it by the head of the hose, where all the weight is, you can find your arm getting a bit tired, but if you hold it at the base of the vacuum itself, actually exactly where I'm holding the hose right now, that relieves a lot of the weight somehow. So luckily I only really feel the weight of the hose when I'm doing the hair on top of my head. And because of its weight, this isn't a dryer that you will really want to travel with unless you absolutely have to. I feel like it's a pretty stationary tool, and you probably wouldn't want to travel with it unless you absolutely have to because of the price of this thing. It's priced at $399 or $429 if you want to get all the extras like the mister and the clips, etc. So anything you can do to minimize any damage or dropping or anything that might make this blow dryer non-functional, then yes, please do that. Overall, I'm completely happy with this blow dryer. I'm so excited I don't have to blow dry my hair the traditional way before flat ironing my hair anymore because it was so exhausting. I have so much energy left still, and I'm happy. I'm just happy with this. And if you want to get a RevAir dryer for yourself, make sure to check out the discount code in the description box to save $30. And in the meantime, like this video if you enjoyed it, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.